Tell me how you met Rakhmankul Khan.
That was in January 79. We were with my wife Rosemary in Gilgit in the north Pakistan. That day we were looking to buy films. So we went into a shop. There was two men there. The salesman, the Pakistani, and then one important big man sitting on a chair on the side. I look at this man and I told my wife, I know this man. This is Rakhmankul, the chief of the Kyrgyz of Little Pamir, Afghanistan. Because I read an article in the National Geographic some months ago, and also I read a book of beautiful photos taken from the French photographer Roland Michaud. I start the conversation with Rakhmankul with the greetings. He was very surprised to see me as a European speaking Dari. And he asked me, how do you know me? And I told him from the National Geographic article and from Roland Michaud. When he heard the name Roland Michaud, he said, Roland Michaud is my brother. I invite you to come to my family in the village of Imit. At that time, it was forbidden to go out of Gilgit to go to Imit. So he told us, 5 o'clock in the morning, in this garage, there will be a jeep and they will take you up there. After maybe 7 hours of driving in a very wild and dangerous road, we arrived to the village of Imit, and we had a little piece of paper written by Rakhmankul, who was saying to his son, take good care of those two visitors.